Namaskar and welcome to Epaulettes Aviation. My name is Ronak. Continuing with our series of how to answer airline questions, we have few additional questions today. One commonly asked question being, tell us one instance where you would overrule the captain's decision. This could be an hypothetical scenario. The interviewer is trying to assess your capability to make an informed decision in an error made by the captain, whether knowingly or unknowingly. You must approach this question with a clear mindset and open communication. These type of instances rarely happen, but when they do, it could be due to an unknowing error of the captain. Your first and foremost duty is to remind the captain to take the aircraft to the safe trajectory. If unresponsive, your second duty would be to thereafter take the control of the aircraft and lead it to safe premises. I acted as the pilot monitoring on an ILS approach recently conducted with my captain. On the approach, the ATC asked us if we would accept shorter radar vectors. Well, I found that we were slightly high on the approach, yet my captain agreed to accept the shorter ILS vectors. Thereafter, he also told me that he would deploy the landing gear to make sure that we are on profile. Eventually, after reaching 1,000 feet, I realized that few of the checklist items were still missing and we could not make this landing according to my judgment. My captain said that he would try and make this landing. After reminding him politely, I did take the controls and initiated a go-around because I did not find this landing and profile apt to put the aircraft down on the runway. The following extracts have been taken by a book published by Captain Tomer of Desh. If you would like to see more of such interview questions or add anything to our channel, please feel free to comment below, like and subscribe. This is me, Ronak, for Epaulettes Aviation.